Funny money quotes Part 1. Wit and wisdom go hand in hand, so here are some of the funniest and most inspirational money quotes that money can buy. I know, wonk wonk. Money is like a sixth sense, and you can't make use of the other five without it. William Somerset Maugham. Money, if it does not bring you happiness, will at least help you be miserable in comfort. Helen Gurley Brown. Money is better than poverty, if only for financial reasons. Woody Allen. Money is not the most important thing in the world. Love is. Fortunately, I love money. Jackie Mason. It doesn't matter if you're black or white. The only color that really matters is green. Family Guy. Money is the opposite of the weather. Nobody talks about it, but everybody does something about it. Rebecca Johnson. The safest way to double your money is to fold it over and put it in your pocket. Ken Hubbard. A bank is a place that will lend you money if you can prove that you don't need it. Bob Hope. Cocaine is God's way of saying you're making too much money. Robin Williams. Money was never a big motivation for me, except as a way to keep score. The real excitement is playing the game. Donald Trump. The trick is to stop thinking of it as your money. IRS auditor. Dogs have no money. Isn't that amazing? They're broken their entire lives. But they get through. You know why dogs have no money? No pockets. Jerry Seinfeld. Money is the best deodorant. Elizabeth Taylor. He who marries for love without money has good nights and sorry days. Anonymous. Anyone who lives within their means suffers from a lack of imagination. Oscar Wilde. Every day, I get up and look through the Forbes list of the richest people in America. If I'm not there, I go to work. Robert Orban. Hopefully these words of wisdom gave you a giggle. Do you have any money jokes you'd like to share? Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in our next video.